In this Rakuten review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money using this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if this cashback website is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Rakuten is basically a cashback app. So while you do shopping online, you're going to be getting a certain percentage of cashback. So Rakuten claims up to 30% cashback, which is not really true. You might get 30% cashback on some website, but for most website it's going to be about 1% to about 10%. So that's the average, or that's like the most amount of cashback you can be getting in a cashback website like Rakuten. So 30% is a big claim. You can get 30% here and there, but you're not going to be getting a lot of them. So the cool thing about Rakuten is that they have almost 3,500 stores and it's a completely legit website. 3,500 stores is a lot of stores. So you can see some of their partners like PetSmart, you have CVS, then Ticketmaster, then Lowe's, then Kohl's, then you have Walgreens, then Bloomingdale's, then you have Walmart, you have Target. So you have all these multinational or these big companies that have partners with Rakuten, which is really great. You have even Samsung. So if you buy a phone, you're going to be getting cashback for the phone. So it really depends what is listed on the website in the Samsung, and if you buy, you can get a cashback. We'll look into that just now. And the thing I want to show you is that the average amount of cashback you can be making is about $100. It's not a lot of money. It's not going to make you rich or anything like that. The average cashback is $100, which is true. And you can see almost 32,000. There is actually a lot of reviews, more than 32,000 to be honest. And they have a lot of 5-star reviews on Trustpilot, which I'm going to be showing you by the end of the video. But before that, let me show you how this works. So first of all, you have to add this to your Chrome, which is super easy. You have to click on it and you will be redirected to this page right over here. In my case, I have already connected to my extension because it is a cool app. So you have to click. So this is the extension bar and this is where the Rakuten app is going to pop up. So you have to click on this, which is the Rakuten. I'm going to click on it. If you like double tap, you can see all the offers, all the cashback that you can be getting from each website. So Walgreens is offering up to 19% cashback, which is cool. Then you have Bloomingdale's, which gives you 12%. Even Crocs is giving 13% cashback if you buy from their website. Walmart is giving up to 14%. So it's all cool. You can visit Rakuten. Maybe if you click on this, you will get to their shop. Oh, so this is the shop. And you can see the amount of cashback you can be getting. So for Temu, they are giving a cashback of 16%. Let me show you the website Temu. So for me, a 16% cashback has been activated by Temu. But the thing is that, let me show you. Wait a second. So you will have a pop-up like this in every website. So you have to just click this. For me, a 16% cashback has been activated because I'm a new user, and about 10% boost is applied for me as well. So you have to always look at the terms and exclusions. So unfortunately, the Rakuten app or the Temu is not giving cashback for everyone. So this cashback is only for the US. So if the delivery is to a US resident or a US place, then you're going to be getting a cashback for every order that you make. So always check the cashback terms and exclusion. So let's go to another shop. Let's say you're visiting Nike. So I have a 12% cashback activated at Nike. So pop-up should come right over here. Let's just see. See, as I told you, there is going to be a pop-up by the Rakuten app. So you have to click here and you have to check the cashback and terms. So cashback is not available on new releases, select Air Jordans, refurbished shoes, gift cards. So for certain products, there isn't much of cashback, but you can get a cashback can only be researched up to 60 days from the order date. Okay, so there are certain exclusions. So cashback might sound like a really good thing, but the amount of cashback that you're going to be getting is going to quite deliver. They have certain restriction, or for certain products you are going to be getting certain cashback. Not for all the products, maybe only for some product you are going to be getting a cashback. So that's kind of like a downfall for Rakuten. You can't be earning a lot of money. The average amount of money people save is about $100 per month. So it really depends. It really depends where you are in the world, and if you are the kind of person that frequently shops, then you can be earning a lot more money as cashback. So overall, I think Rakuten is a really cool app. There are a lot of partners, so you can see all the partners and the amount of cashback you can be getting. So I think it's overall a good website, and I also want to show you the Trustpilot score. So if you go to Trustpilot, you can see Rakuten.com USA. It's not just the USA that's it's available worldwide, but most of the cashback that people get, or most website prefer, is the USA. They prefer more to the US, but it's available worldwide. So if you look at the 5-star reviews, there are a lot of 5-star reviews. There are 4-star reviews, 3-star, 2-star, and even 1-star reviews. But the 1-star review is quite less when you compare it to the 5-star reviews. So you can have a look at them. There are a lot of good, really good reviews. I loved. Some people are having some problem with the payment process. When they receive the payment, you can get the payment via PayPal or through check once you reach about $5, which is not a lot hard to get to $5 as the threshold for your cashback, but it's quite easy, I would say. So you can have a look at all the reviews and go through them. It's overall an excellent website for a cashback. But it's not going to save a lot of money, or maybe make you rich or anything like that. The maximum or the average you're going to be saving is $100 if you are like a frequent purchaser in the websites. So suppose if you're booking a hotel, you can maybe save about 5 to 6% as a cashback. So that's how this works. So that's it for this video, and if you're looking for my recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month completely online, if you want to check this out, if you want to check this strategy, it's a free affiliate marketing strategy. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.